And she hit me with a Tupperware bottle. Then मैं और मेरे like 2-3 और लड़कियां थी, उसके बाल खींचे, and then she was still hitting me only. I don't know why. And then
a doctor should or must only marry a doctor.
oh, good one. So I feel कि a doctor. Why are you so interested? मैं like oh.
मैं डॉक्टर DCA चलेगा.
Yeah, so I feel
so that understanding कि like क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में and like you know giving each other the time and that understanding कि अच्छा आज इसका पेशेंट मर गया रहेगा इससे दुखी है मतलब example I know it was a very rude example to give but I'm just trying to prove a point.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, so basically in school, so me and my best friend, I think we both liked the same guy. So then once what happened, we were fighting about it already internally, and then बाकी लोगों को भी पता चला कि वो ऐसा scene हो रहा है गोकुलधाम में, ऐसे spread होता था gossip. Anyways, and then so one recess, I came to her classroom. Oh, okay, you know, like I'm gonna ignore you today. We both are not talking. Cold War is going on. And then there was this one chick who was with me. She called the friend I was fighting with Bhenchod. ठीक है. And then she just turned and thought कि वो मैंने बोला है, but it was not me. And then she hit me with a Tupperware bottle. Then मैं और मेरे like 2-3 और लड़कियां थी, उसके बाल खींचे, and then she was still hitting me only. I don't know why. And then we both were called to the principal's office. But तभी that floor was filled with our batch and the guy we were fighting about. And that guy was just like, don't fight. I'm not worth it. Don't fight. Then we were there in principal's office and parents बुलाया था and principal was like ये है, and I saw this man near principal's office and I had this nose band on. Oh my god, I couldn't breathe. It was so bad and I have a deviated nasal septum because of it now.
Shout out to Arya for the second time. Although camera pe first time hai, but yeah. So what he's talking about is absolutely true and it was the best moment of मतलब कि सबका स्कूल लाइफ का ये एक हाईलाइट है कि अरे वो 9th में एक फाइट हुआ था याद है पूज और that fight because मतलब कि so the entire batch was I think divided in 2 or 3 floors right कि 3-4 डिवीजन एक फ्लोर पे वैसा पर उस दिन सारा का सारा 300 लोग वो एक ही फ्लोर पे और वो एक ही सेक्शन में मतलब कि नॉट इवन इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लोर पूरा एक वेव जैसा लोग पूरा कूद रहे यहाँ से वहाँ एक दूसरे को सब धक्का दे रहे and me and my friends are like अरे मारो हो रहा है
और जोर से ओ देखो बोल रहा
रुकना नहीं चाहिए
अरे ऐसा बोल दिया कैसे बोल दिया
मैं तो नहीं ज्यादा मारो
this was a speaking line. I remember this. मैं होता तो मैं नहीं सुन के लेता.
वो सब मार रहे पागल जैसा. It was I think at that time a bit bizarre to see 2 girls fighting and like that to so called best friends और मार रहे.
So called we were best friends.
वो टाइम पे यार जो भी मतलब same thing यार you get it. वो सब मार रहे and उसके बाद randomly after the fight I see this lady come ऐसा with a nose job पूरा bandage लगा के and I didn't used to talk to her then so I was like I just burst out laughing in her face and it was so awkward.
He actually laughed. He was like, oh, and then he went up the stairs.
भागते हुए शर्मा गया मैं सामने हंस ही नहीं पा रहा था बेचारी यार इतना मार खा
और लड़कों को बुला रहे देखो
हाँ and then फिर obviously क्लास में आकर पता पूरा मार खाई उधर पूरा
even मैंने भी मारा
हाँ
she got me off guard. Okay, fine.
तो बैंडेज उस पे नहीं था ना पर तो so it was a completely different story back then और वो बंदा बेचारा 8th standard में like he was 1 year junior to us but he was tall.
He was tall.
तो वो आके बेचारा आखिरी का बच्चा जस्ट अ टीनेजर आके समझा रहा है कि नो डोंट फाइट योर पेरेंट्स क्या थिंग है देखने के एंड हमारे बैच के सब लड़के उसको एक तू निकल बीच में मत क्यों बात कर रहा है कि मार रहा है
तू क्यों सॉल्व कर रहा है नहीं प्लीज गेट लॉस्ट
तुझे पिटना
वो पिट जाता बहुत पतला था बेचारा पिट जाता.
गुड स्टोरीज फ्रॉम सचिन
So Sachin sir तो भाई he has seen a lot. एक तो my and that chick's fight also went till Sachin sir. That Sachin sir was like, you guys will be in separate classes, separate batches, separate timings. सब कब separate होगा तुम दोनों का. But yeah, once, so basically, my mom used to come and pick me up from tuitions, okay? So, and that time, we were very, like, chotu na, like, 10th standard, and my mom used to go to Gold's Gym every day. So, she had that proper, like, body, okay? She had abs, and she was, like, proper training every day, 2 ghanta. So, once she was standing outside my tuition, this thing, okay, to pick me up. And we all came out of the tuition, and one of my friends is like, "ये वो बंदी बहुत hot दिख रही है." वो मेरी मम्मी है. She's my mom. And then he was like, "Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry." मैंने कहा, "You should be. That's my mom." Like, समझ रहे क्या? मेरे से ज़्यादा मेरी mom में लोग interested थे.
वो 15 साल का बच्चा है यार.
And then I was like, "Mom."
नाम ले लेना प्लीज, नाम बोलो.
No. I don't think he will even remember this. I remember this because it was my mom. Of course, he won't remember it. For
Is
sure.
he in touch with you now?
No,
He's in touch with your mom then.
I hope not. Mom.
ये तेरी
Sorry.
मम्मी ये नहीं देखेगी ना यार.
नहीं, वो.
बेचारी.
I don't know why she likes him. She's like, "Oh, Shubham is a cute."
Okay, runs in the family also.
Ew. No, like as a person, maybe. I'm like, "Mom, you have the wrong idea of Shubham Kejriwal, please."
A nice guy, bro. I'm a CA.
Yeah. I think
What
Cindy
did you
mom.
haircut also today?
No, I think that's why Cindy mom is saying yes.
Yeah. You but मतलब कि like but I've seen your mom very recently. तो
Yeah.
तू तभी बोल रही कि तभी और भी fit थी तो.
Yeah, my mom is still fit, bro. She's like, she'll run more than me. She'll lift more than me. क्या बोलने का? It's embarrassing.
Was that incident your inspiration?
No. For what the fitness, my inspiration, of course, a part of it was my mom, but not her being hot. Fitness is basically COVID happened, and उससे पहले my ankle was fractured. Okay, so we were all drinking, house party tha, and I lost my balance in that house party. I fell and I was vomiting here and there, and then that's how me and my friend that night, both of us got leg fractured. So we both were limping the next day, and then there was a plaster. So yeah, so behind what the fitness, it's like COVID happened usi time pe. I had very stationary lifestyle, so I wanted to change that. I had gained a lot of weight after NEET UG also. Then, and it was very unhealthy for my height. So for after that, I was like, okay, I'll and like have a active lifestyle. But yeah, 50% of it also was some heartbreak. So yeah, I'll agree on that. Yuck, man, not him, man.
To all the What the Fitness followers.
Oh yuck, it was a separate guy. No, that guy knows ki kyun tha. I hope that guy sees this. Then now I'm hot. It's okay. And he's not. Then I started doing it. Then it became like a habit. So now it's just my whole day plans around it. कि I'll work out. Like workout तो ये time पे ही होगा. बाकी सब काम बाद में होंगे. So even while I was doing internship, I used to go to the gym with my friend. And then मैंने सबको जिम में डलवा दिया था उधर, like membership करवा दी थी. So we all used to go to the gym together, work out, and then come back. Then internship duty used to start. So I made sure that it was always in my timetable. That workout तो करना है for sure. So
Like, but how do you stay like very consistent? मतलब कि because we just started a page. अभी जो हम लोग का चल रहा है Instagram पे, and you've been posting since like 3 years now.
yeah, 3 years, yeah.
तो वो क्या consistency का like that? you
Yeah,
have to
so
do?
basically it keeps me motivated also, like okay, now I'll shoot this. I like posting it, and I get those messages. Oh, I started working out because of you. Seeing you consistent made me, start working out and loving it. Thank you for that. So I like those messages that keep me motivated. And also part of it is they keep me also motivated. I'll go to the gym, I'll shoot, and I'll put it. And some collabs are also there, so it's nice.
And what's your workout routine? I mean, and I know a lot of girls who just do cardio because
Yeah,
they
they-
think that if they do strength training, I said they will become sort of manly. But what are
Yeah.
your thoughts about that?
No, I feel every girl should do strength training. You don't become manly for sure. That's a very big misconception. So I lift a lot. Like upper body is quite weak, but for girls, I know that legs is a stronger point. But to be very honest, it's very necessary because in the long run, it helps your joint mobility. It helps you be active, and like especially when you hit menopause. Right now, though it's fine, but when you hit menopause, your bones are strong by that time, and to be honest, I have seen a lot of postmenopausal females who actually have random pains in their body. Random. They'll have कि oh आज back दुख रहा है, आज knee दुख रहा है. And most of it is because of our, lifestyle. So I would suggest that strength training is very important. If you don't want to lift dumbbells, that's okay. Do it with resistance bands, but do it. At least it should be, along with cardio, I feel. Like, cardio is also important.
And do you recommend like any kind of protein intake ka kuch band
Yeah.
or something?
So basically, I know like a lot of, like fitness people will not like when I say this, but I really like to have sattu after my workout. It's a very light form of protein. It's basically chickpea powder. I mix it with chas and I have it after my workout. It refreshes me also, plus it gives me a lot of protein. So I agree ki, that muscle blaze and all that have more whey protein or whatever. But for me, it never worked because it was very hard to digest. It's very hard on your body. So I don't like it. I like to take other proteins, whey proteins or whatever. I like natural sattu apna. You can have 2 glasses a day also. It won't harm you. And I really like that, the taste is also good. So whenever I tried other proteins or plant protein is also good. I suggest because it also has a lot of protein.
It's pea protein, right?
Yeah, it's pea protein. So that is also good. But for me, sattu worked. So I did a lot of trial and error. And then I came to the conclusion that I'm going to have sattu only because I'm lactose intolerant also. So I couldn't have milk as well. So that's why I was like, sattu and chas is a good combination.
Like I think, but in case of guys, even
Yeah.
you must have heard ki the average protein that I don't know ki it is in case of females also, but it is generally 1 to 2 grams per protein of your body weight.
हाँ, per body weight. Yeah,
In
grams.
kgs, right?
Grams.
तो नहीं
Not
मतलब
kg. अच्छा, your body weight का
in
हाँ.
kg, हाँ. So अगर girls के भी केस में सेम रहता है कि it is only in case of
I think it is same, but a bit lesser. Okay, because I think if you're looking to get jacked and you're building more muscle mass or something, then you all need more. That is for sure. But what I feel is like for females, I feel ki whenever they try to gain weight. So they can also switch to like banana milkshake or something like that. But for y'all, I feel protein intake matters more for that jacked muscle kind of thing. So I think that's the main reason a lot of males take whey protein and they don't prefer plant protein because that helps them to build muscle more.
And if Malki and like also because you're a doctor, so you think that being a doctor it increases your credibility in terms of your fitness page, that ऐसा फिर people are like कि हाँ इसको मतलब कि ये फिर जो बोल रही है सही बोल रही है शायद से because you have that talent.
I feel there is like okay, yeah, doctor hai to कि she must be saying correct, but sometimes there are people who have approached me like हम steroids ले तो चलता है क्या? I'm like नहीं चलता है, ऐसे नहीं होता है. Like literally I was in the gym the other day and one person is like आप डॉक्टर हो तो आपको पता होगा कि steroids लेना चाहिए कि नहीं. मैंने कहा वो लेमैन को भी पता है कि वो नहीं उसके लिए मेरी जरूरत नहीं है आपको. So yeah, and then when I told him you should take sattu, he was like आप कुछ भी बोलते हो. I'm like, so there are instances when they think, okay, what is she saying? Yeah, so because sometimes, they eat that muscle bodybuilders, they constantly eat eggs and they have this whey protein. तो उसका उनको habit लगता है. Then suddenly if I tell them, okay, you take sattu, that won't meet the protein needs, right?
Yeah.
So then they're like कि ये तो नहीं चल रहा है मेरे लिए. But
बहुत ही क्वांटिटी में खाना पड़ेगा too much.
Exactly. So that's the thing. But so everybody has to thoda sa do trial and error ki okay, what works for you. So that's what it took me like 3 years to realize ki okay, sattu works for me. I'll stick to this.
And this is Shubham ne bola ki you are a doctor. So you are a doctor and you take care of your body. So usually जो भी
Yeah.
doctors होते हैं, they don't
Take
मतलब
care.
वो बहुत बोलते हैं कि ऐसे दूसरों को बोलते हैं, but they themselves don't take care. So do you
Yeah.
think it's an advantage for you कि हाँ अच्छा like whatever I'm saying क्योंकि मैं खुद करती हूँ. So
Yeah, that is there. actually that is an advantage. I to feel it is, and I suggest a lot of people also to, you know, who are doctors, like they should take care of themselves. And like a lot of my friends also, you know, they started working out and eating healthy after I started a page. So, and even my batch people they text me, okay, you know, I like it that you're being healthy, so it also motivates me, because to be very honest, our working hours are very hectic. So even mere liye, like I'm not someone who's 24/7 healthy. So even like, you know, emergency में अभी कुछ फटफट खाना, and then suppose my resident is doing delivery, I was an intern, I have to go there फटफट, so एक वड़ा पाव खा लिया, so I can't help it, I need glucose, and it was like midnight पे delivery हो रही है, so whatever, you know, सामने दिखता था, we used to eat that. So yeah, that's the main reason कि, you know, doctors somehow become unhealthy. That is sad, because our working hours are that way. But I don't think that they voluntarily become unhealthy. They really want to, but and we are overly caffeinated all the time, so that's it.
I think that's what Ramya. So like when he was here, he kind of mentioned that doctors are the most unhealthiest people that you'll ever see. Like in terms of their lifestyle, in terms of their eating habits. And I think in that medical hostel phase also, like they are drinking and smoking all the time. Yeah, and like half of it is because of the stress.
Yeah, there's so much stress. Like even as an intern, even though when I was interning in my college, there's no responsibility. मेरे पे कुछ नहीं आने वाला. But you are in that stress. Oh, resident might call me any time. I have to go. So you are in that stress, you know. And residents पे तो और stress होता है. Residency is very hectic. PG, like after MBBS, you do specialization, na? Like in ophthalm or whatever, anesthesia, ortho. So you have another 3 years of that after you have done already 5 to 6 years of MBBS, and then you have 3 years of that. And then you have to always work under someone, and your senior will always be like, oh, you have to do this correct, you have to do that correct. There will be very rare instances when your senior is actually your mentor, and he or she is actually good to you. So even in internship, like I was very lucky to have good residents, but and they, you know, taught us a lot. Like as a delivery and all that, you have to deliver the placenta, and then during surgery, you know, giving us sutures to do. So it was like a good experience.
Like about how conditions there in, like in general in hostel life, plus in your internship days also. Like for one thing you mentioned that your senior के ऊपर बहुत depend करता है, you know, like how he or she treats you. So जैसे Ramya was telling me कि वहाँ पर example, I think in medical people वो like even if someone is like, you know, for 1 year senior to you, but वो रहता है कि I think you have to call them sir or something, sir and ma'am, and अगर वो देखो गाली दे रहा है तो देखो सुनना ही पड़ेगा. हाँ, मतलब कि and you can't do shit. मतलब कि तू ऐसा नहीं कह रही, तू कौन नहीं, तू मेरा सीनियर है, मैं तेरे से बस खा लूंगा गाली, बस सॉरी माफ कर दो. एंड मतलब इसलिए तो उस दिन रम्या बोला था ना कि सब उसको सब बताते दादा एवरीथिंग, तो वो है एक्चुअली वैसा रहता है कि सीनियर हो.
Yeah, but nowadays that has stopped, to be very honest. Like in lot of colleges, suppose so हमारे बैच तक क्या था, like we out of respect ही आता है कि भाई उसने MBBS तो survive कर लिया भाई, तो हम उसको बोलेंगे मैम सर. But the new batches that I saw, so I was selling my furniture after my everything was done. I was leaving from Pune to Mumbai, so I was selling my furniture. This junior texts me, hello Pooja, फर्नीचर कितने का. मैंने एंड ही इज 5 years young, फर्स्ट ईयर में, और मेरा इंटर्नशिप हो गया है. वी वुडंट डेयर टू डू दिस, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. एंड दैट डूड इज लाइक, हाय पूजा, एंड माय फ्रेंड्स नेम इज नीवा. ओके, नीवा ने तो अपना चेस्ट ऑफ ड्रॉर्स इतने में बेच दिया, तो तू भी बेच दे. आई एम लाइक, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
The OLX
ma'am bolo. And then he was like, oh okay, and then I blocked him. I was like, furniture तो तेरे को मिलने से रहा, नहीं देना है तेरे को. So these new batches, they are like, oh हमने मैम सर तो नहीं बुलाएंगे, वो रैगिंग होती है. Like that's not ragging. Out of respect you're calling your senior sir, मैम.
वो वैसे कॉमन पार्लेंस में भी बोल लेंगे तो भी क्या ही जाएगा. उसमें हम लोग हमारे स्पॉटिफाई को भी सर बुलाते हैं, जेन्युइनली बहुत दिल से बुलाते हैं क्योंकि इतना हेल्प करते हो.
हाँ यार, एंड दे थिंक ओ बुलिंग हो रही है, रैगिंग हो रही है. भाई तूने देखा नहीं है क्या होता है. अभी तो तूने कुछ नहीं देखा. So yeah.
But in terms of the general working conditions and like what you have experienced as a female doctor or a student in.
Oh, so basically, I will tell you one story. So as an intern, we used to change dressings of the patient. So अगर patient को कुछ सर्जरी हुआ है तो वो ड्रेसिंग वापस बदलने के लिए ओपीडी में आते थे. सो इंटर्न का काम ही होता था ड्रेसिंग चेंज करो, सब क्लीन करो, डॉक्टर को रेसिडेंट मतलब माय इमीडिएट सीनियर को दिखाओ कि इट्स हेल्दी, इट्स हीलिंग. So for that man knew कि I am changing his dressing. Sister is right next to me. She's giving me the dressing, gauze piece, everything she's giving. And clearly I'm wearing a scrub. The doctor लिखा है clearly. Okay, he can't read English. Okay, fine. And sister is also calling me doctor. Doctor है क्या? Doctor है क्या? After that he is calling me sister. मैं वापस कब आऊँ? Like, I'm not your sister. I am doctor. Call me doctor. And then I told him कि फिर भी I said मैं पहले तो मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, मुझे प्लीज डॉक्टर बुलाओ. एंड ऐसा बोलना पड़ता है कि प्लीज डॉक्टर बुलाओ. एंड देन ही वाज लाइक अच्छा ठीक है, सॉरी. एंड then I told him कि come after a week again or whatever was told to me to tell him. Then he went and confirmed it with my male co-intern कि वो मैम भी नहीं, वो सिस्टर, ही कॉल्ड मी अगेन अ सिस्टर. वो सिस्टर ने बोला है कि एक हफ्ते बाद आना है, तो एक हफ्ते बाद आना है क्या? एंड माई दैट को इंटर्न डिडंट नो इट बिकॉज ही वॉज इन अ सेपरेट रूम. ओके, ही वॉज डीलिंग विद सम अदर पेशेंट. सो देन ही इज आस्किंग मी कि क्या है. मैंने देन आई वॉज लाइक आपको बोला मैंने कि आपको नेक्स्ट हफ्ते आना है, आप उनको क्यों पूछा? कहते नहीं कंफर्म करना पड़ता है. So basically, he just wanted a male to tell him that ये day पे आना है.
Do you face this problem quite regularly? Because ये field में usually we see a lot of male doctors, but how is it for you to be in this field, thriving in this field? Do you face these issues very regularly?
Yeah, as an intern, I did face all this, but I have seen my female residents also face the same problems. You know, कि they were like. Again वही reconfirm करेंगे with a male doctor or a male senior doctor, you know. And if I am young, I am a female, that's more of a disadvantage sometimes. But yeah, because my hospital was a private charitable hospital, so a lot of villagers used to come there. So it's always in that back of their head कि okay, a male senior doctor will be much more helpful than a young female doctor. So that is always going to be there. But I feel that I hope it changes someday. And
ये एपिसोड के बाद चेंज होगा, पता चलेगा बचपन में इतनी फाइट की है.
बहुत fight की है.
No, but I do understand like only talking about in terms of seniority. But yeah, not in that, you know, for male female aspect. Yeah, मतलब कि me coming as a patient, yeah, ठीक है. If there is a senior doctor, like irrespective of a male or a female, and if he or she is attending me, then I'll try to avoid a senior doctor. But वो फिर gender का
yeah, we are also discouraged to take a hefty field, you know, like one of the, you know, now I'll be choosing a branch like to specialize in. So we are told not to take certain fields because, you know, they are more hectic. You have to handle your family. Why should I always handle a family? So why should I? And then they are like, oh no, in the end the female has to handle a family. What if you get emergency calls at night? I'll handle it. That's my problem. Don't discourage me to take a branch just because I'll come late at night or I'll get some emergency calls. We always knew coming into MBBS that we will get emergency calls, we will be working late night. But that's not a reason ki, oh, you are a chick, so you should not do that, you know, because you have a family to handle. Like, of course, I'll handle a family, but that you shouldn't discourage me. That is not a reason to discourage me to take certain fields. They are like, oh, girls should take only non-clinical branches. So non-clinical branches are basically like biochemistry, where you don't have that much patient interaction, and you know, you just work in labs, microbio, and then you like it's like
work life is not hectic.
Not hectic at all. So why should we be discouraged? And why? So that's there. Like, you won't see a single female ortho. We are discouraged to take ortho because it's, I agree.
Ortho is bones?
Yeah, ortho is bones. I agree.
जो तेरा टूट गया है.
शुभम के प्यार में।
कि मेरे प्यार में नहीं, किसी और के
किसी और के
प्यार
प्यार
में।
में।
वो बहुत लंबा था ना।
So yeah, we are discussing, like everyone will tell you, oh, don't take ortho, you have to, you know, give traction, you have to give you put nails in. Okay, like fine, there are no single female ortho, like, so we are always discouraged. Oh, you take patho now, you take patho, work life balance, handle family, it's okay.
So, but like from all the stories that you have just said, so like sexism is very casual in the medical field
Yeah,
in general.
in general also, yeah, clearly you can see the protests are still going on, still nothing is happening, to be very honest. And what happened was very tragic, and the whole doctor community was first time protesting on such a large scale, and still we were just being harassed and said ki, oh, we'll take your license, we'll do this, we'll do that, start working. How do you expect us to start working like that, you know? For I wasn't even in Kolkata or anywhere near that hospital, but as a female doctor, now I am scared, like, to be very honest, I am scared. If any guy can be given permission to roam about freely in that hospital, then how should I feel safe in any hospital, you tell me? Like, my parents also, now I'll be joining a hospital, so now my parents are like, you should be closer to home, you know, like if anything happens then you are around home. So like it's so casual, कोई भी patient हाथ उठा के चला जाता है, like it's so casual कि, and there is nothing to be done about it. So people think कि it's okay to remove the frustration on the doctor, you know. Like I agree, you get emotional to lose a loved one, but it's not our fault. We try our best. Everyone tries their best to save it. We take an oath. So yeah, but the only person that family member can blame is us, unfortunately. And then they raise their hands, or they do things like whatever happened at Arjikar, or maybe it's unrelated, but still it's so casual that now, like for 2 days after listening to that story, I was scared that, you know, like what if night duty, now I won't be able to sleep peacefully on my night duty. So there will be instances where I will be called for a night duty in future. Then how do you expect me to, you know, feel safe? Okay. So now it will be a sleepless duty, to be very honest. And even during internship, so we have this ICU duty, okay? So it used to be divided into morning duty, afternoon duty, and night duty. So जिसका भी night रहता था, that person has to sleep in the ICU at night. And there used to be a senior doctor also with us, resident, okay? That first year PG basically. So they used to take the doctor's room. There was only one bed there. So there was no other bed. So we had to sleep on that ICU bed only, next to the patient. Parda laga ke, we had to sleep there. So to be very honest, that make a bed for us, like in that doctor's room. There was no other bed. So we had to sleep there. So the conditions, if they improve, then I feel it will be a better place, because we do so much hard work, to be very honest. I agree all fields have their fair share of hard work, but we slog a lot. Like it's not a joke to, you know, work the whole night, and then like it's from 9 to 9, you know, 9 night till 9 a.m. in the morning. And again, the rounds used to be there in the morning. Okay, that senior doctor used to be there, the main doctor, and then 3 years of PG residents, and then us. We still had like some things to do, like write prescriptions. So yeah, and then sleeping areas were not good, and we had to somehow sleep on that ICU bed. If the resident was good, we were allowed to go to our rooms. So, but that was like once that happened with me.
It is so comfortable, you know, sleeping next to the patient. खाली बस पर्दा डाल के, मतलब जो भी.
It's not comfortable. That ICU
yeah,
patient is
it is
dying.
so uncomfortable. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ.
Uncomfortable.
Yeah, वही क्योंकि वहाँ पर मतलब and मतलब तो ऐसे cases में if the disease is a bit contagious वगैरह,
Exactly.
तो उसका भी डर है.
Yeah,
Even
that
if there's
is-
nothing, I mean,
हाँ.
you just can't sleep next to a patient.
Yeah.
कुछ भी हो,
correct.
कुछ भी नहीं, उसको कुछ भी ना हो, but still in the end he's a
Exactly.
patient, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
So, but we had no option. We had to sleep there only. So yeah, and that room, where that doctor's room had only one bed, one washroom inside it. It was just half of that area. So then we had no option. We had to sleep next to the patient, and the patient used to have that BiPAP machine attached, and then that constant noise used to be there. Tanao also used to be there. So the next morning you just hear tanana constantly. So yeah, but yeah, that's that.
Yeah, but मतलब कि as being the मतलब you know for healthcare professionals like studying for 10 years and not having these basic amenities to sleep
Exactly.
and you know that fear of you know someone hitting you or like any kind of assault is I think something which is like very sad in the country. I don't know about abroad.
Yeah,
Yeah, abroad,
abroad also I have no idea. But here, I think that if in abroad also patient raises their hand on the doctor, I think there are strict laws. But I don't know about abroad like properly. But for here, we do need some strict laws to.
Abroad though, like we had a guest like Ujjwal and he just mentioned कि like in the abroad like in UK I think he was mentioning तो वहाँ पर तो ध्यान ही नहीं रह सकते मतलब कि सब डॉक्टर्स मतलब कि they don't care.
मैं वही
They'll
बोल
keep
रहा
you
था कि
waiting
ऐसे
for
पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल नहीं बोलते कि एम्बुलेंस ही बना देता है.
हाँ they'll keep you waiting for 5 to 6 hours
Yeah.
and at the end उसको खाली आइस दे दिया वो भी after
Correct.
like an entire night of waiting
Yeah.
and यहाँ पर हम लोग के सब डॉक्टर्स एकदम सब तैयार है फौज लेके
हाँ.
and at the end and वहाँ पर तो like I think बहुत अच्छा पे है डॉक्टर्स का their lifestyle and their pay is too high in US and in UK and everything.
That is it. The doctors are paid well, and at least they have like proper place to stay and sleep if they have night duty.
Yeah, so the services aren't at par with the pay. The pay is much higher. Their standard of living is
Yeah.
also there, but यहाँ पर the service is there, but
The people of India honestly are taking the healthcare that is provided to them very for granted, yeah, to be very honest. Because in UK, US, Australia, wherever you go, there is 2 week waiting period for the patient to meet the doctor, and you know that doctor will also attend you for 15 minutes maximum. But here, you immediately see a doctor. Like if you have ACL tear, immediately the doctor is ready, but there it's a huge procedure. So I don't think people should take that lightly.
और ये क्या होता रहता है नीट यूजी का पेपर लीक हो गया फिर नीट पीजी का एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो गया लास्ट मिनट आई थिंक यू वर अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट पीजी एग्जाम ना
Yes, first of all, I was a COVID batch. My normal yearly MUHS this exam was also postponed. So my already MBBS was 6 months lagging, and after that, my NEET PG exam was postponed 4 times. First, 4 times. First, it was going to be in Jan 2024. It got postponed to March 2024, and then from March it got postponed to July. First June 23rd.
yeah and the last minute postponement the previous night अगले दिन सुबह एग्जाम है like I remember speaking to Ramya he has like he drove for like around 40-50 kilometers to go to some random गाँव to give the exam और वो तो ऐसे ही एग्जाम दे रहा था क्योंकि उसका ठीक है बस दे देता हूँ एंड एक रात पहले सोने से जस्ट पहले आता है कि like कल का एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो गया
क्यों?
पता नहीं
So basically, they were concerned that the paper has been leaked and now we need a fair paper. But उनको एक रात पहले realize हो रहा है.
पेपर लीक
हाँ लोग इतना ट्रैवल करके इतना पढ़ के फुल स्ट्रेस में तो रम्यक बोला कि भाई मेरा ही दिमाग खराब हो गया मैं इतना लाइक एफर्ट लेके गया हूँ वो बोला कि लाइक जो लोग एक्चुअली पढ़ के आए हैं उनके ऊपर क्या बीती है भाई
The night before, okay, my dad is doing prayers. Oh yeah, strength, you will get strength. Prayer करते हैं सब करके so मैं जल्दी सो जाती थी and 5 a.m. used to be my getting up time. So I slept by 10. By 11, my dad is knocking on my door. बेटा एग्जाम नहीं हुआ. मैंने कहा पापा मस्ती मत करो यार सोने दो ये मस्ती करने का टाइम होता है क्या. I went to sleep. The morning I'm reading my Telegram group. Oh postpone. My teachers are writing postpone हो गया. Then I was like it actually got postponed. And then first 2 hours I was hysterical. I was just laughing.
उधर मम्मी बोले मेरी बेटी बाबरी हो गई भाई
I woke up my mom at 6 a.m. Mama center जाते हैं. What if exam is there and this is all a joke? My mom is like अकेले तेरा exam कौन लेगा? Shut up and go to sleep. And it was Sunday morning. Okay, my dad refused to get up. He said बेटा exam नहीं हो रहा है. News में आ गया है. And I was like okay. Then 2 घंटे बाद I made peace with the fact that it's actually postponed and I need to start all over again. all over again. I need to study. So then I was like, ठीक है, क्या कर सकते हैं. Then I made my peace and then I had to complete my remaining internship, go to Pune again. Okay, and till 10 days they have not given a clarity when the exam is going to be, and we are like पढ़ाई करें कि नहीं करें कि कब होने वाला है, because people are like नहीं नवंबर में होगा, नहीं अक्टूबर में होगा, अपना ही सब लोग बोल
Super
रहे हैं.
frustrating.
And then randomly when I am doing duty and you know हम लोग ड्यूटी के साथ भी पढ़ते थे, तभी आता है कि हाँ अभी अगस्त 11 को है, एक महीने पहले नोटिस देते हैं कि हाँ अभी एक महीने बाद एग्जाम है. क्या फ़ायदा, उन्होंने इंटर्नशिप तो कंप्लीट करके देन वी हैव टू गिव ना. सो 18 days before the exam I came home, like proper home, and then studied like the whole day. You know, like as how you need that whole day to study before your entrance. So 18 days before I came home, and then it was just mentally very taxing, to be very honest. And then they changed the pattern also of the exam. Okay.
It gets worse every time.
They changed the pattern of the exam. They made it morning shift, evening shift. This has never happened. नहीं हुआ ये. And they were like, we will normalize like JEE के types. So I was like, bro, is there anything left? You change that also.
डॉक्टर इंजीनियर का एग्जाम.
Maths भी डाल दो अभी.
So very quickly we'll
Yeah,
move to a couple of doctor opinions since
Yeah.
you are here.
So basically, I don't think if you know this, we'll just read out an opinion and we just share our thoughts.
Yeah,
So,
like they are kind of unpopular opinions, can be a bit controversial.
yeah.
So please share your 2 cents on it.
So I'll start with the first one. A doctor should or must only marry a doctor.
Oh, good one. So I feel कि a doctor, why are you so interested? I'm like, oh.
मैं डॉक्टर DCA चलेगा.
Yeah, so I feel if you have, like, I agree that doctor relationships are, you know, quite successful and all, because they understand कि हाँ मतलब जिंदगी झंड हो चुकी है हमारी, like mutual understanding है. But I feel like if you have someone out of your field also, it's like a breath of fresh air, you know. Like you're already in the hospital 24/7, and then you come home and if you talk same thing to your significant other about that constantly, just like hospital में life खत्म हो रही है, शुरू भी वहीं से हो रही है. So having someone out of your field is also a good thing, like you know, as I said, breath of fresh air, you know, कि there's someone at home who will keep me sane.
But maybe the understanding would be better between.
Yeah, that is.
You will have a lot to talk about in that.
No, fair malaki, like to talk about is there, but example, if two doctors are marrying each other, so that understanding कि like क्या चल रहा है life में, and like you know giving each other the time and that understanding कि अच्छा आज इसका patient मर गया रहेगा, इससे दुखी है, मतलब example. I know it was a very rude example to give, but I'm just trying to prove a point.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah.
That I agree.
Good way to prove a point.
I'm sorry, don't come at me.
I've never been in a relationship with another doctor, so I don't know how good it might be. But a lot of my friends के parents are doctors, and you know they have that understanding कि हाँ मैं surgeon तू anesthesia हो. Like that's good.
फिर वो ऐसा फिर बच्चे पे ऑटोमेटिकली प्रेशर, तू भी डॉक्टर है.
हाँ वो तो रहता है for sure. अभी family tree को full
I think you
white
won't
कर
force your
देंगे.
kid to be a doctor. बल्कि I don't think you will force your kid to be, like force or like suggest your kid to be a doctor. Like अगर उसको खुद से करना होगा तो मे बी
No,
करे.
then it's fine. हाँ.
Yeah, that
But
that is how it should be in general.
हाँ, it should be in general.
हाँ, don't let that you decide.
force, because it's very, you know, like it's not an easy job. If you're forced to do
Yeah,
it, then
yeah,
you
of
won't.
course.
Because in
हाँ.
case of CA, like अभी मतलब सब मेरे सब बैच वाले एज वाले हम जो भी सब CA बन गए ना, वे लाइक किसको भी सजेस्ट नहीं करेंगे आगे, है ना. लाइक एवरीवन इज जस्ट जेन्युइनली सेइंग दैट मैं तो किसको नहीं बोलूंगा करने के लिए.
To be very honest, I feel CA की पढ़ाई MBBS से ज़्यादा होती है.
चल मेरा हो गया.
No, I really think so. Really, because I saw him and 2-3 other people starting out saying this is too much. But maybe it was because of maths and all. I can't do.
BMS भी tough था.
Content is tough, bro. Even she relates.
Okay, next one. Doctors are hated because an expense towards a doctor is not something one does by choice but is forced to do. People will be willing to pay much for an interior designer and be proud of it, but crib about a smaller amount paid to doctor for a surgery.
I feel that's true. People crib a lot कि अरे डॉक्टर इतना पैसा ले लिया, ओ 1500 एक इंजेक्शन का. But honey, that's how it is. Healthcare is expensive.
Yeah.
ये इंडिया में फिर भी cheap है, but like if you go to US, UK, your wallet is going to be empty. Like still यहाँ पे it's so easily available. It's cheaper also, like comparatively. And you have such good doctors in India that will take care of you. Why do you like? It's basically life and death. They are diagnosing you. They have their 10 years of knowledge. Then how? And you know, like they are saving you from dying. So why won't you pay to them?
और इंडियंस का मेंटालिटी भी ऐसा रहता है ना कि खुद के फिटनेस में पैसा नहीं डालेंगे, जिम विम नहीं जाएंगे, बट बीमार पड़ेंगे, "ओ यार इतना खर्चा 7-8 लाख रुपया एक बार बीमार पड़ जाओ." ब्रो जस्ट पुट 15-20,000 जिम में डालो, रेगुलरली वर्कआउट करो, एटलीस्ट यू बी फिट, डोंट ईट शिट, जलेबी फाफड़ा क्यों खाना है
ये अभी यूं भी talk about
Once in a while हम सिंधीज भी दाल पकवान खा लेंगे, but not on a regular basis. So I feel कि don't clog your weight arteries.
And plus काफी लोग को ऐसा रहता है, मतलब I don't know if it's true or not, like in case of certain doctors it might be true, but they are like you know कि doctors को तो बस pills पे डालना है हम लोग को, उसको हाँ उसको बस दवाई बढ़ानी है हम लोग की. So there's this famous doctor in our area, मतलब that you know गोकुलम है ना, तो 2-3 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा, तू खड़ा हो जाएगा, तेरे को डेंगू भी हो तो 3 दिन में ऐसा खड़ा होकर तू ऑफिस जाने लगेगा. हाँ मैं 3-4 दिन में ठीक हो गया था, बट लाइक फिर मेनी पीपल हैव टोल्ड मी कि वो ठीक कर देता है, बट द अमाउंट ऑफ लाइक द डोजेजेस एंड द स्टेरॉइड्स दैट ही यूजेस इन इज लाइक टू हाई. मतलब आई डोंट नो कि इफ इट्स ट्रू और नॉट. मैं अभी भी जाता हूँ, अगर ये बात ट्रू भी है, बट मेरे लिए कि मैं वहां पर बचपन से जा रहा हूँ और मेरे को जल्दी ठीक होने का.
अभी ठीक है, बाद में
हाँ मैं 4 दिन में ठीक हूँ, पर मैं 2 दिन में हो रहा हूँ. मतलब ठीक है मैं 2 दिन में ठीक हो रहा हूँ. मतलब कि वो आदमी कैसा तुमको खड़ा कर देगा एकदम. वो सेम वो बोलता है, मतलब मेरा फ्रेंड है वो नमन सिरसाले वाला, बोलता है देख आदमी जैसा भी है, ठीक करता है 2 दिन में खड़ा करता है. तो मैं तो उधर ही जाता हूँ.
ठीक है चलो, ऑन अ लाइटर नोट
ब्रो
उस दिन पे संडे जब 22nd जब कोलपे के टिकट्स आए, मैं था क्यू में. मैं क्यू पहले तो क्रैश हो गया हमारा ऐप. मैं लकीली वेबसाइट से शिवम का नहीं हो रहा है ब्रो, नहीं हो रहा. मैं सडनली में बुक का ऑप्शन है, लाइक ब्रो 34, हाँ चलो
34K था ब्रो.
हम लोग लाइक हाँ चलो यार क्यू में तो आगे मिल जाएगा टिकट. 20K पे आया, एवरीथिंग वाज सोल्ड आउट. ब्रो व्हाट अ पैथेटिक एक्सपीरियंस.
मेरे भाई का एक दोस्त, आई सेंड यू द फोटो, लाइक 15-20 सब डिवाइसेस डाल के रखा है. I sent you that photo today. मतलब भाई लोग क्या क्या इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. And after all this, you know, when I saw that photo, I was like कि हाँ ये तो करता है डिजर्व, इसको टिकट मिलनी चाहिए. मैं तो एक लैपटॉप और एक फोन पे ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. ये तो 10-15 डिवाइस रख के 5 फोन, एक टैबलेट, 2 लैपटॉप, पता नहीं क्या क्या था. I don't remember. फिर मेरे भाई का एक दोस्त, like he was at like 400 or something, like 400, उसके आगे कुछ नहीं, और तभी सोल्ड आउट. 400 पे उतना पास आके
हम वही बात कह सोचते ना, एक जो लास्ट बंदा रहेगा और टिकट सोल्ड आउट.
So I don't think I should feel bad कि मेरे को 2 लाख पे नहीं मिला.
Like you could believe मेरे भाई का मेरे ये को 2 लाख पे थी. मेरा भाई का एक दोस्त 7 लाख पे, और जेन्युइनली बेटर स्क्रीन के सामने आएगा. मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ वो बोल तू सो जाए भाई खा पी के. 7 लाख. मैंने
भी सुबह लाइक
तो बच्चे हो जाएंगे तो भी नहीं मिलेगा.
लाइक 11 o'clock से मैं मेरी बहन को उठा रही हूँ, मॉम को उठा रही हूँ, मम्मी लैपटॉप किधर है. I kept the laptop, I kept the iPad, phone, calling my friends. You also keep 3 devices ready, 1 hotspot, 1 on Wi-Fi, and then also I don't know how I was 2 lakh में भाई. I don't know. 11 o'clock से I'm trying 11 o'clock.
और उसके बाद दे अनाउंस की थर्ड डे भी आ रहा है, थर्ड शो भी आ रहा है. तो इसने को मैसेज किया कि देख थर्ड शो भी आ रहा है, तू भी क्यू में लग जा. तो मैं आई वाज वेरी चिल कि हाँ चलो ब्रो इसमें तो मिल ही जाएगा आराम से. बुक नाउ. एक डिवाइस से 5 लाख, मैंने उसको बोला 50. हमने नहीं 5 लाख है. दूसरे पे 1 लाख बोला, नहीं 10 लाख है.
एंड वही मतलब कि जब उसका आया स्टोरी कोल्डप्ले का, तो लाइक विद इन 2 to 3 minutes मैं जाके लाइक मैंने उसका कर दिया क्लिक. ठीक है, तो मैंने फिर बुक नाउ पे क्लिक करके मेरे को आ रहा है कि द टिकट्स विल गो लाइव एट 2 PM, स्टे देयर एटसेट्रा. ठीक है, और फिर क्यू आईडी इज, तो मैं लगा कि चलो मैं क्यू में तो आ गया हूँ, और 2 मिनट के अंदर ही मैं चला गया. फिर जब क्यू आता है 6.5 लाख, 6.5 lakhs, मतलब 2 मिनट के अंदर कितने पब्लिक आ गई.
Actually, अरे my sister was also trying from like 2 o'clock आने वाला था ना थर्ड का, तो 1:30 से she was in like in that thing, and then on 1:45 she tells me, oh there's third show. I was like acha, I didn't know. Then I went at 1:56 and still I was on 2 lakh. I don't know how people are getting to know that this is happening.
नहीं पर मैं बस वो जानना चाहता हूँ कि जो बंदा स्टार्टिंग के फर्स्ट 100 में है या फर्स्ट 10 में तुम्हारा क्या स्ट्रैटेजी है भाई?
गॉड स्टैंड
What is the
Yeah,
strategy?
कौन सा वाईफाई है मेरे को वो जानना है भाई.
या तो
भगवान
ये
के
पूरा
बच्चे।
BMS का झोल झाल है भाई,
Yeah.
BMS वाले.
Now 50K bro, गोल्ड बेच के लेना पड़ेगा कोई पे टिकट.
On that note, we need to मेरे को कॉल आया था 23K के टिकट्स मिल रहे हैं बुक करना है. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you
Hopefully
so
we'll
much.
see you concert में DY Patil if we
Thanks
get the
Pooja
tickets.
for coming
Yes, thank you
and
guys for having
admitting
me.
your crush on me.
Ew, no, I'm not handbraking on that. Ew.
Thank you for
Okay,
watching
thank you.
guys.
Bye.
And please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next week.
Bye.
Peace.